long does it take them to come out of their egg?
Oh, it can take them hours. Some are quicker
really?
than others.
Yeah, because you see this one.
Hurry up, little guy. Come out of that egg. Oh, there's another egg moving.
Little fluff buckets.
He's trying to come out. Come on, poke your head out. And what kind of, are these chickens?
Huh?
What kind of birds are these?
Chickens.
They are chickens, okay. Yeah, brown eggs, don't Patty?
Rhode Island Reds, and those, the others are
The fancy ones?
I better get you something.
I think that's the Buffy.
How about
Buffy?
for you?
Buffy?
Here, I'll take a video. I'm videotaping. I'll put it on Facebook. The video. Okay, come on, you guys, move. There it goes. There it goes. Come on. There's one trying to poke through.
Don't drop it on this side.
It's trying. Push, 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 buddy. Okay, and then after, here's some, how long have these guys been out of their egg? Like a couple hours or something? Just today?
Very good job.
Oh, they like getting warm, don't they?
Good job. Good job. There's a little hand sort stuff there.
Oh, he's coming out.
Oh, there.
He's coming out. Oh, I missed it.
Oh, that one just popped right out.
I know I've been videoing, and as soon as I moved over to these guys, then it popped off.
We got him.
There it goes. There it goes.
Birthday.
Just popped out.
That one just opened.
Oh, that is too cool.
Pictures of him. Sing it to him. He's right there. He just
It's just coming out.
Is it?
Yeah, the one next to it,
Oh, he is.
poking out. Oh, that is just too